Start by setting up a separate savings account with no debit card attached. This makes it harder to touch your savings impulsively. Automate a percentage of your income to transfer into that account the moment you get paid. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Use a high-yield savings account that pays interest. This way, your money grows passively while sitting there. Cancel every unused subscription. Check your phone and email for recurring payments you forgot about. Pause unnecessary memberships. Streaming services, gyms, and apps you rarely use can drain cash. Switch to cash for daily spending. Withdraw a set amount for the week and leave your card at home. Cook at home for 30 days. Eating out adds up fast, and cooking saves you hundreds. Pack your lunch for work or school. Even cheap takeout costs more than a homemade meal. Stop buying coffee out. Brew at home and save $3 to $5 every single day. Meal plan every week. Having a plan stops you from wasting money on random groceries. Do a no-spend weekend. Find free activities like hiking, parks, or game nights instead of paid outings. Sell unused items around your house. Old phones, clothes, and gadgets can bring in fast cash. Declutter and list things on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local selling apps. Do freelance gigs. Try Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit for small side jobs that pay quickly. Babysit, pet sit, or house sit. These side hustles take little effort and pay well. Offer a simple service to friends and family, car washing, lawn mowing, or errands for a fee. Use cashback apps like Rakuten, Honey, or ShopMium when you shop online. Switch to cheaper grocery brands. Store brands often cost way less and taste the same. Buy in bulk for essentials like rice, pasta, and toiletries to save long-term. Stop delivery services. Pick up your food or groceries instead of paying extra fees. Unsubscribe from marketing emails that tempt you to spend unnecessarily. Use public transport. Walk or carpool instead of paying for gas and parking. Skip alcohol for 30 days. Drinks are expensive and add up quickly when eating out. Make DIY gifts instead of buying expensive presents this month. Check your insurance, internet, and phone plans. Call providers and negotiate cheaper rates. Avoid buying clothes for 30 days. Use what you already own and mix outfits creatively. Track your spending daily with a free budgeting app. Awareness alone saves money. Set a strict weekly cash allowance. Once it's gone, no extra spending allowed. Use the envelope method. Label envelopes with categories like food, gas, and entertainment. Cook big batches of food and freeze portions. This prevents ordering takeout on lazy days. Refuse impulse purchases. If it's not on your shopping list, don't buy it. Pause buying snacks and drinks when out. Bring water and snacks from home. Compare prices online before buying anything. Often, a cheaper option is available. Use loyalty points or vouchers for shopping before spending cash. Look for free alternatives to paid services, like free workouts on YouTube instead of a gym. Cut utility bills by turning off unused lights and unplugging devices. Lower your thermostat by 1-2 degrees to reduce heating bills without noticing much. Plan a fun, cheap week. Challenge yourself to spend as little as possible while still enjoying life. Borrow books, movies, or games instead of buying them. Avoid ATMs that charge fees. Withdraw from your bank for free. Pause eating out with friends and suggest free hangouts instead. Sell gift cards you won't use for cash online. Declutter your pantry and fridge to use up food you already have before shopping. Refill water bottles instead of buying bottled water. Check if you're paying for duplicate services. Many people have multiple music or TV subscriptions. Do a pantry challenge week. Only cook with what's already in your house. Car share with co-workers or neighbors to save on fuel. Check cashback and coupon extensions before buying online. Set a strict daily spending limit. When you hit it, stop spending for that day. Review all your bank statements for sneaky fees and get them refunded. At the end of 30 days, total everything saved and transfer the entire amount to your savings account.